I'm trying to actually travel light into CVS. I'm only going to take my notebook, my envelope with my coupons in it, my calculator, and my pen. We're going to see how Crystle does with that, because I am a binder person. I love my binder. Lovely people, Coupon and Crystle here with another CVS haul, guys. I went back to CVS, did a little more couponing. So let's jump into this haul, okay? I wanted to use that vitamin coupon that I helped you guys print the other day. So I decided to go back and do the Centrum deal again, all right? This week at CVS, the Centrum vitamins, or select Centrum vitamins, because it's not all of them, are buy one and get one 50% off. So this particular size, which is the 100 count, is $11.99 for one, and the other one is $5.99. So I decided to get those two. Okay, I decided to see how much it would be if I got some more vitamins, because I also had a vitamin CRT for 4 off of $20 worth of vitamins. Okay, so this one is the one that I decided to get. Now this is not a half price one. Okay, so it was full price. So even if I purchased another one in this count, it still was going to be full price. This is the 65 tablets. Okay, so each one of them is the women Centrum Silver women 50 and above, 50 plus, okay? So that makes my cost for all 3 of them be $27.47, because the 65 count is $9.49. So $11.99, $5.99, and $9.49. So that's a total of $27.47. So for the coupons, I used 3 of the $4 insert coupons. There's actually, I believe, a limit of 4 light coupons. So if you wanted to work it out, you know, and do it another way, you could. But I was okay with just doing it this way. So that took off $12. Plus, I had that $2 survey coupon. Then I also had the 4 off of 20 vitamin CRT, makes my cost be $9.47 for all 3 boxes. That is an amazing deal for Centrum vitamins, okay? Great deal. I'm stocked up, y'all. I got them other 2, that's 100. So that's 465 vitamins. I'm gonna be good for a few months. Yeah. And they don't go bad until what, 2022? Yeah, of course, always check your date. But 2022 is when these go bad. They'll be gone long before then. All right, so that particular deal, I did not use extra bucks. I just paid cash for that. I don't mind that, because that's something that I would literally go in the store and pay full price for. So I was okay with doing that. The next thing that I decided to get, guys, because I'm just trying to roll extra bucks, get me some beauty, okay? Get me some beauty bucks. I did paparazzi. This week, the paparazzi polish is buy 2, get a $4 extra buck. When you buy 2, they're 2 for $5, okay? I did have a CRT, but I didn't use it because to me, it's not a good deal. It's going to make me have to buy, I think, 3 or something like that, some oddball amount. So I decided not to do that. So this did give me a $4 extra buck back, making the ultimate cost be $1 or 50 cents each. Good deal. And plus, that is a really pretty color. I feel like that one is. Well, the red too, but I really like that. So the next thing that I decided to do, because of course I'm trying to do beauty, so I decided to do some hair care, and I did the Tresemme. The Tresemme this week is this particular bottle, because there is another Tresemme deal, okay? So this size is the 28 ounce size, and they're 2 for $8 this week. When you buy 2, you get a $3 extra buck, okay? So I had that $4 off of 2 Tresemme insert coupon, dropping my cost to $4. but I wanted to add it in with my $4 off of 18 hair care CRT. So I decided to do some more shampoo. And what I did was the Head and Shoulders, okay? The Head and Shoulders, this is the 12.8 fluid ounce, guys. These are on sale, 2 for $12. I did not have a paper P&G coupon. They are expired, but there was a $3 coupon off of Head and Shoulders on my app, manufacturer coupon. I also had a 50-cent Head and Shoulders clip to app coupon. Didn't clip it. My 50 cent did not come off. So check to see if you have it, guys. Then I also had a $2 off Head and Shoulders CVS coupon that printed on the bottom of one of my receipts. So I used that as well. That made the Head and Shoulders drop to $6.50 for the Head and Shoulders. So the Tresemme was $4. The Head and Shoulders was $6.50. It was a total of $10.50. The 4 off of 18 CRT came off, making it be $6.50. All right, so $6.50 plus my $5 for my nail polish made my total be $11.50. After all coupons, I rolled a $10 extra buck. All right. I was expecting my 50-cent coupon to come off, but I forgot to clip it. So my subtotal was $2. I ended up paying $2 plus tax versus $1.50 plus tax. It's okay. It's all right because it's going to go towards beauty, which is great. I needed to go towards beauty so Crystal can get a $3 extra buck. So I got back my $7 in extra bucks, of course, my $4 for the paparazzi, $3 for the Tresemme. So I rolled 10, got back 7, spent 3, but I'm going to get the 3 back because it's going to count towards beauty, because this is going to make me hit beauty because I didn't need that much to hit beauty. So this is just going to push me over that $30 threshold, and I'll get my $3 extra buck before the end of the week, which is great. I'll have it in time for the weekend to coupon with. Great deals. I think there's some good deals at CVS this week. Guys, let me tell you what else. Darn Chic. My doggone Chic. Okay, I wanted to do the Chic deal only because it was gonna be free for me. Okay, on sale for $5.99. We got those $4 printable coupons, so you may have a $4 coupon on your app. I had a $4 Chic CRT that expired on the 19th. Why did I have that thing paper clipped to my coupons like I was about to use it? I was just like, oh my gosh. I don't know what got me distracted. I know what got me distracted in the store when I was doing my deal Sunday. I was over there with the razors, and these dudes, I think they were in there stealing. That's what I think they were doing, because they kept saying, they kept coming over the speaker saying, security scan all sections. They kept saying that. So I don't know if that's code for somebody stealing. But I think I just felt like they were stealing. You know how you just feel stuff in your spirit like, they stealing. That just popped into my head like they're stealing. So I think they were in there stealing, and they kind of threw me off. I just kind of, as a couponer, you got your book, you got your pocketbook, you got your phone. You look like you distracted. You might be an easy mark. Not Crystal, because I got eyes in the back of my head. I'm looking. I might get that mask on, but I am looking, okay? I am aware of my surroundings. I'm more aware. Tell me if you guys are more aware with that darn mask on than you are with your mask off. I'm more aware. My spidey sense is up. Because it's almost like when you put that stupid mask on, it's almost like it cuts off your peripheral vision. I don't know how that's possible. Tell me in the comments below if y'all agree with that, because I declare it's almost like I feel like my peripheral vision is cut off having that crazy mask on, because my mask is like all the way up to here, guys. Did I have my mask with me? Oh, the one I wore? Yeah, I do. I actually made this mask. This mask covers up darn near my whole face. I did it that way on purpose. See? So it's like I see the mask right there. It's not blocking my vision, but it's almost like, I don't know. Maybe it's just a mental thing. It could be a mental thing. I don't know. But at any rate, guys, y'all be on your P's and your Q's when you got that darn mask on, okay? Just be paying attention, because I feel like because everybody's in the store with masks on, I feel like people that are thinking about doing bad stuff just thinking a little bit more about it, because they feel like they might get away with it because everybody's in the store with a mask on. You know? I'm just saying. So just be mindful of your surroundings when you're out. You're couponing, especially by yourself. Make sure you guys are staying safe, okay? And that's it, guys. Remember, clip to save, and you will be amazed. Bye-bye.